Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix TikTok live access is needed to go live as a guest. For example, if you try to go live on TikTok and you see this kind of notification on your TikTok that your TikTok live access is needed. So if you want to go live, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer and reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the app store here, and in app store you have to simply search for the TikTok app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, what you have to do next, so when you try to access live feature as a guest, you may encounter a message stating that live access is needed. So how you can fix that? So first of all, what is the meaning of live access alert? So if you see alert indicating the live access is needed, it signifies that you not collecting meeting the criteria, which means you are unable to use the live because there are some conditions. So that if you want to use TikTok live streaming, so first of all you have to get 1000 followers so that you can host your own live stream or join as a guest on someone else's live session. Moreover, you have age restriction, like you have to be at least 18 years of age to host a live stream and at least 18 to access feature that allow you to receive gifts. Moreover, you can simply access a TikTok live feature by meeting the criteria like age requirement, follower count, and also your account must be following the TikTok community guidelines. And after that, you can simply access live access, and or you can also get invitation from the host, and you can also get access to the TikTok live. After that, you have to simply verify your account. You have to provide the follower count, and after that you will be able to use TikTok live as a guest, so you will not get that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.